show you about this thing right here. It's a very cold water. This right here is warm. This is cold. The other one right there is very, very cold. So how to fix it? Fixing it is easy, very easy. Let's go and show you guys how to remove this thing right here. This one here. So what you do? You move this out of the way. Right like this. Move it out of the way. Same like this right here. And look for something like this here. So this looks maybe this and this one. Here's one side. And then this, and the other side. And then this guy should be able to come out. Let me show you. All you need is T20. Guys, so what to remove is this one here, and then the second one, the black one, and then the third one is a small one right here, and the fourth one is this guy right here, and then the last one is this guy. So guys, this is your guy, is out. This is your video guy, is out, guys. So you just need to replace this. Once you do that, guys, you should be able to fix the problem which you have with cold coolant. You have with cold air and then hot air on one side. This one will fix it. You just change this one, replace this one, or replace the heater in the front. That will be able to resolve it, and I really hope you guys fix the problem and be good with it. Okay. Another thing, guys, to look is the heater valve, which is down right here. You need to replace it. This is also it also works with the hot and on. When this is bad, guys, also it gives you a problem too. So I did replace mine. I did replace with this one, so it looks like this. So you change it, guys, and once you do that.